This is the ST-20 level crossing system by Peco in N gauge. This is a plastic model kit incorporating nickel-silver rails that will require minimal assembly. In the box, you will find a series of plastic parts to assemble the crossing and its associated gates. Here we see the crossing with incorporated nickel-silver track. Note the track has fish plates for integration into other track sections. There are two ramps with recessed locator holes for the gate posts. Each ramp has connectors allowing them to easily clip onto the crossing. Rounding off the parts count, we have the gates and their posts. As you can see, the gates join onto the post through a simple click and fit mechanism that will allow the gates to be positioned as required. Completing the set, there is a pictorial guide to assembly on the back of the header card. The ST-20 level crossing system by Peco in N gauge.